Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of our English Conversation podcast.
Hello, I'm ready, I think. Maybe. Probably not.
Don't worry, Leo. Today's topic is fun and super easy. We're going to talk about hobbies.
Okay, hobbies I can do. I have some, I think.
Everyone has something they enjoy doing, even if it's just sleeping.
Hey, that's my main hobby. Very advanced skill.
Then this episode is perfect for you. Today you'll learn how to say your hobbies, how to ask other people about theirs, useful vocabulary for activities, and simple conversation patterns for daily life.
Sounds good. Let's start before I fall asleep doing my hobby.
Let's begin. Repeat after me. My hobby is
My hobby is
I like to,
I like to,
I enjoy.
I enjoy.
Great. Now some common hobbies. Repeat. Reading,
Reading,
cooking,
cooking,
playing games,
playing games,
listening to music,
listening to music,
exercising.
exercising.
Perfect. Very natural words you'll use all the time.
Can my hobby be eating?
Absolutely. Food hobbies are valid hobbies.
Then I have many hobbies.
Now let's practice full sentences. Repeat after me. My hobby is playing guitar.
My hobby is playing guitar.
I like to draw in my free time.
I like to draw in my free time.
I enjoy watching movies on weekends.
I enjoy watching movies on weekends.
I love spending time outdoors.
I love spending time outdoors.
Great. Now say one sentence about one hobby you have.
Okay. I like to play video games at night.
Very natural.
And very true.
Now let's learn how to ask someone about their hobbies. Repeat after me. What do you like to do?
What do you like to do?
What are your hobbies?
What are your hobbies?
What do you do in your free time?
What do you do in your free time?
Excellent. These are super common and very friendly questions.
So basically, this is small talk.
Yes, talking about hobbies is one of the easiest small talk topics. Let's try a short conversation. I'll ask, you answer naturally. What do you do in your free time?
I like to watch series and play games.
Nice. What are your hobbies?
I enjoy exercising, especially running. Well, sometimes.
Running sometimes is still running. Good job.
Only if the weather is perfect, and I'm not tired, and I had a good breakfast.
So, never?
Exactly.
Now let's make your answers longer and more natural. Repeat. I like to cook because it relaxes me.
I like to cook because it relaxes me.
I enjoy reading, especially mystery books.
I enjoy reading, especially mystery books.
I love taking photos when I travel.
I love taking photos when I travel.
Perfect. Adding a reason or detail makes your English sound more fluent.
So, I play games because it makes me forget about adult responsibilities works.
Yes, that is extremely accurate. Now let's learn types of hobbies. Repeat after me. Creative hobbies.
Creative hobbies.
Outdoor hobbies.
Outdoor hobbies.
Sports and physical activities.
Sports and physical activities.
Relaxing hobbies.
Relaxing hobbies.
Social hobbies.
Social hobbies.
Great. Now examples. Creative hobbies. Painting, drawing, writing.
Painting, drawing, writing.
Outdoor hobbies. Hiking, camping, swimming.
Hiking, camping, swimming.
Relaxing hobbies. Reading, listening to music, Meditating.
Reading, listening to music, meditating.
Excellent. Leo, describe a perfect day doing your hobbies.
Easy. I wake up late.
Of course.
Then I watch something, listen to music, play games, eat snacks, maybe take a nap.
That sounds like 5 hobbies in one day.
Exactly. I'm very productive.
Great job, Leo. Great work so far.
This is fun. Talking about hobbies is way better than grammar.
Don't worry, we'll continue in the next part with more useful phrases, describing frequency, talking about new hobbies, social hobbies, and a longer natural conversation.
Let's do it.
Perfect. Now we're going deeper into hobby vocabulary and natural daily life expressions. To talk about hobbies, you need to say how often you do them. Repeat after me. I do it every day.
I do it every day.
I do it once a week.
I do it once a week.
I do it twice a month.
I do it twice a month.
I hardly ever do it.
I hardly ever do it.
I never do it.
I never do it.
Great. These expressions help you sound natural and confident.
So I can say, I exercise, never.
You can, but maybe don't tell your doctor.
Too late.
Let's combine things now. Repeat. I read every night before bed.
I read every night before bed.
I play soccer once a week.
I play soccer once a week.
I go hiking twice a month.
I go hiking twice a month.
I cook dinner almost every day.
I cook dinner almost every day.
Great. Now tell me about your hobbies and frequency.
Okay, I play games almost every day.
That sounds extremely accurate.
It is. My PlayStation agrees.
Now let's learn expressions for trying new activities. Repeat after me. I want to start a new hobby.
I want to start a new hobby.
I'm learning something new.
I'm learning something new.
I'm interested in.
I'm interested in.
I'd like to try.
I'd like to try.
Perfect.
Can I say, I'd like to try relaxing more?
That's not a hobby, Leo.
It should be.
Repeat after me. I'd like to try photography.
I'd like to try photography.
I'm interested in learning guitar.
I'm interested in learning guitar.
I want to start painting.
I want to start painting.
I'm learning how to cook new recipes.
I'm learning how to cook new recipes.
Excellent. These are great conversation starters. Now let's practice hobbies you do with other people. Repeat. I like hanging out with my friends.
I like hanging out with my friends.
I enjoy playing board games.
I enjoy playing board games.
I go out with my friends on weekends.
I go out with my friends on weekends.
I love doing group activities.
I love doing group activities.
Great. Now tell me one social hobby you have.
I like going to the movies with friends.
Perfect. Let's learn natural ways to explain why you like something. Repeat. It helps me relax.
It helps me relax.
It makes me happy.
It makes me happy.
It's fun and interesting.
It's fun and interesting.
It's a good way to meet new people.
It's a good way to meet new people.
It's good exercise.
It's good exercise.
Amazing.
Can I say, it helps me escape reality?
Yes, that's very honest. Let's practice a natural conversation. Do you have any hobbies, Leo?
Yes, I like playing games and listening to music.
How often do you do those activities?
I play games almost every day, and I listen to music all the time.
Why do you enjoy them?
Games help me relax, and music makes my day better.
Excellent. Perfect, simple, and natural. Great job, Leo.
Thanks. I feel like my hobby vocabulary is stronger now.
Perfect. Because in the next part, we're going to learn advanced beginner phrases, compare hobbies, talk about childhood hobbies, learn conversation questions for real life, and practice a long, natural dialogue.
Nice.
Great, Leo. Let's move to our last section, talking about frequency and enjoyment. This helps you sound more natural when describing how often you do your hobbies.
Nice. I always get confused with sometimes, often, usually, and so on.
Don't worry, we'll practice a lot. First, let's review. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never.
Okay, got it. Can I try using them with my hobbies?
Of course. Tell me about your hobbies and how often you do each one.
All right. I usually play video games on weekends. I often read before going to bed. I sometimes paint because it helps me relax. And I never dance because I'm terrible at it.
Laughs. That was excellent, Leo. Very natural. And don't worry, dancing is not mandatory in English learning.
Thank God.
Now, let's improve it a little. Try adding why you like or don't like each activity.
Okay. I usually play video games on weekends because it helps me disconnect from work. I often read before bed because it helps me sleep faster. I sometimes paint because it's calming and creative. And I never dance because I have two left feet.
Perfect. That's exactly how a native speaker would explain their hobbies in a natural conversation. Let's switch roles. I'll describe some activities and you guess the hobby.
Deal.
Here's the first one. I do it 3 times a week. It keeps me healthy and I love feeling strong.
Gym? Working out?
Correct. Next one. I do it every morning. I enjoy the quiet time and I like the smell of paper.
Reading?
Yup. Last one. I don't do it very often, but I love taking photos when I travel.
Photography?
You got all of them. Now let's do something different. Tell me about a hobby you want to start.
I want to start learning guitar. I think it's cool, and it's something I've wanted to try for a long time.
That's great. Try saying it like this. I want to start learning guitar because I love music and I think it would be a fun hobby.
Nice. Sounds better.
Now, let's practice a mini dialogue you can use in real life. I'll start. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to play video games and read. What about you?
I love cooking and doing yoga.
That's cool. How often do you do yoga?
I usually do it in the morning before work. Great job, Leo. This is exactly the type of conversation English learners use every day.
I feel a lot more confident now talking about hobbies.
And you should. You did amazing today. Before we finish, let's quickly summarize. How to list your hobbies, how to explain why you like them, how to talk about frequency, how to ask others about their interests.
That's a lot for one lesson.
Yes, but you handled it perfectly. And that's it for today's episode. If you enjoy learning with us, don't forget to follow the podcast and leave a review.
And practice your English by telling someone what your favorite hobby is.
We'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.